Sheikh. Welcome to Options Trading with Salman, and my firm name is Capital Investments. So today's video will focus on my June strategy, what's going on in the June strategy. That will be a very small part, and mainly I'll show you a new algo trading software that is called Algorooms. Okay, so let's jump right into video and watch both the parts completely. And in case you have any comments or suggestions, do let me know in the comments below. And I am making this video after some time, but as if you have seen my last video, you must already know that this is my June strategy. Okay, so I had made it at 16 weeks. Now currently India weeks has come to 14, as you can see here. Okay, the date today is 13th of June, and it's around 10:55, 9:51 a.m. basically. And this is 13th of June, Thursday. This is expiry. The markets opened gap up and then it started going down. I'll just zoom a little bit for you to view it clearly. देख सकते हो market का हाल. Now anyone who must have bought a put at the opening must have incurred a lots of profit over here. But India VIX is also falling, so I don't know how much profit the person must have incurred. But yes, so this is the overall strategy, and we have not made much adjustments here. We are just increasing the lots at the ends and not making adjustments too much. We have a potential for max profit after 24,500, and that is around 39,000. But I think by June 24,500 is quite difficult. So what we will do is basically add like 75 lots over here. Okay, so this is 8.25 and we have 75 quantity. Okay, this is complete. Somehow voice did not come, and the available margin is 1 lakh, so that is okay. Now at 9.25 we will make it 4 lots. This 4 lots, 9.25. Okay, so I save this strategy. Now when the market goes up, okay, at max I can get 39,000 and my profit will keep on tapering down as the market reaches 25,000. So I have the buffer until 25,000. At the lower end I have the buffer until 21,000, but I think market is unlikely to go to 21,000 in June, but nothing can be said, so it's there. What we can do is basically we can come to 21,500 over here. Okay, and 21,500 PE, we check out what is the value of 21,500 PE here. This is 7 rupees and 500 will be somewhere around here. So I think we can come to 21,500. So we'll just exit this first, and we have to exit and buy this out. Okay, and this is Salman Sheikh. So today I'll teach you Algorooms websites and how to actually link your account and do the algo trading automatically. So this is slightly more automated than Zerodha Streak. In Zerodha Streak you get some notifications and then some other pop-up notification clicker has to be used. Okay, उसके through होता है, but Algorooms is directly API linked. So for activating this Algorooms API and connecting your Zerodha account, see how do you have to do. You have to connect here, add broker and connect here. So you have to, like, I go to Zerodha, have to enter broker ID, app name, you can write it any, API key and secret API key, and this is the redirection. So where will you get the API key and secret API key? You have to go to Zerodha developer login. Okay, so Zerodha developer login. So I have already created, so this is opened. Otherwise, if you have not created, you have to log in, and this is my API key, and then if I go inside I'll also find a secret API key. Okay, so I am not showing that, but in general this is once you go to my apps, okay, you create new app, you go to connect 200,000 credits for 30 days. So you can write the app name and the redirect URL. You can use this redirect URL which is on Algorooms website. So here you can add it, you can add any description. No need for post back URL, you can add the client ID. Okay, no need for adding app icon or anything like that, and then you can click on create app. You'll be asked I understand, and if you write I understand, then actually it will take you to a payment terminal, and then you have to make the payment. So only if you make the payment, then it will then only then it will create this account. Okay, otherwise it will not create an account. So once you pay, and then it will be activated for 30 days. So every 30 days you have to do it, or you can link it to a Zerodha account, and then automatically it will keep on debiting and keep it active for 30 days. 30 days it will keep on renewing. Okay, so this was about adding the broker. So once you have added the broker, nothing, you have to just come in the morning around 8:45 9 and just on this terminal and trading engine. So right now I have switched it off. So this website is a little bit unstable. Some morning it was giving some problem. So and I had some margin deficiency, hence I could not trigger it. Otherwise here I'll just show you how to create the strategy and deploy it. So there are strategies and there is a dashboard. So this is the dashboard. Okay, and here if you take any of this strategy, these are already pre-created strategies, some pre-created strategy. So you can take it and add to my strategy and start editing it. So what I'll do, I'll show you from basic how to create a strategy. So there is a time based and there is an indicator based. Okay, so currently I'll just show you first the time based, how to create a time based strategy. I'll write it like time based trial. Okay, I'll write a time based trial. Now I want to enter it what time, you can mention it whatever time you want. Suppose I want to enter at 9:21. Okay, square of time, and which all days I want to function this strategy. So for now I'll just activate all the days. And then there are some ready-made templates. Again, these are buy, call, sell, put, bearish, neutral. Let's start with the neutral iron fly. Okay, please select an instrument first. Okay, we'll add the instrument. I'll choose the nifty 50. Okay, one leg is already come inside, but I need this ready-made template. So here you can see there is a there's an ATM. Okay, in ATM there is one PE and one sell side there is CE. Actually both of this buy and sell of CE and PE should be ATM. Both this sell should be ATM and this should be, so just have to see and correct it. Now individual legs, here there can be SL, but I don't need individual leg SL. Then I can actually cut this down. Okay, I can make this 0, and here also I make this 0. But there are some advanced features like move SL to cost, exit at target, and all those things are there, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to do this overall profit. So for 10 lots, I'll just start with 10 lots because you will incur some brokerage charges, transaction charges. It's better to go with higher lots. So if you have some 10 lots margin, then go for this. Otherwise for trial you can start with 1 lot, but for 10 lot I'm taking my risk of 5,000 for 10 lots. And there is like this profit. In case of profit, there is no trailing, lock profit, trail profit, and lock and trail. We'll do a lock and trail. So if the profit reaches 2000, what we'll do, we need to lock the profit. So I want, yeah, if the profit reaches 2000, at least I should cut the trade at 1000. Let's take 2500. Okay, 2500, cut the trade at 1000. And if the profit increases by every 1000 points, then I will also trail the profit. I'll keep increasing my profit by around 700 points, so I'll keep that. Now what I'll do, basically I'll save and continue. Okay, so this time based trial strategy is made, and I'll go ahead and back test it. So let's just check the 1 year back testing result. So they will utilize some credit, but that's fine. I recommend you just do a couple of strategies and just deploy those. So here you can see there is 69,000 of profit. Okay, and this is a hedge strategy. So there was one drawdown phase here and some drawdown phase here. Let's see, the max loss is 5.39 and the winning days are these, and the losses days 3000 is the average loss. Okay, so losing streak is 5 and winning streak is 8, and max drawdown from peak is basically 23k. So I think this phase is very bad phase where you will incur lots of losses. So we will just try to optimize it. So how to optimize it? Let's just go back to the strategies. Okay, here I just go ahead and edit it, and what I'll do, I'll first try to optimize with time. So do one variation. Don't try to edit everything. I'll go for 10 a.m. Okay, then only you will understand what's happening. So just go with one variation. I just made it 10 a.m. and I'm checking it out. Now I'm again done doing the back testing for 1 year for 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. again it's showing a big loss. So what I'll do, I'll go back test again. Okay, I'll go edit. What we'll do, there is again from 10 a.m. also there is a loss. So what I'll do, since this is an intraday strategy, MIS only and not cash and carry. Okay, so there is a CNC also. CNC settings are separate. when to entry, when to exit. So let's just do CNC because this is a hedge strategy. Okay, 4 days before expiry, exit. 4 days before expiry, exit on one days before expiry. Okay, so that's what we'll do. And for now, we'll just save and continue, and then we'll again do a back test, and let's see how it works. So again, this is a completely lost strategy. So here you can see I have backtested a lot, and yet in this iron fly, I'm not able to get a profitable strategy. Okay, so let's just go to MIS. We have sold C and P, and there is a buy leg. I'm just removing the buy legs from here, and we'll just sell the straddle, ATM straddle. Okay, and for ATM straddle, we'll do this, and we'll go ahead and enter it at around. Suppose I just want to enter around 10:10. Okay, 10:10 a.m. I save and continue, and I just go ahead and backtest it again. So now you can see now there is some kind of profit. Okay, decent profit. There is 1 lakh profit. So initial phase there are some losses, but 1 lakh profit. Now I've shown you enough of backtesting. You can take this account and try backtesting. It's your choice. I'm not recommending anything. This website is a little bit unstable. So I'm also doing a trial, so just showing it to you. Now I'll just go ahead and deploy this. Okay, so I again come back to brokers. I come back to dashboard again. Okay, and go to my strategies again. So these are my strategies. If I click on deploy, it will deploy on which broker. So you can link multiple brokers. I have linked this one broker. Multiplier, you can put it like I've put 250 quantity, but if you want to multiply that quantity directly from here into 5 or into 10, then but that's okay. One max loss also you can set it. Except you can put paper trade, it will show forward testing, or you can put it live. I'll show you live deployment. So I've done the live deployment. So the criteria for live deployment is that this trading engine should be off. So I go to the strategy, and then I go to this broker, and I go to strategy, and then go to deploy strategy. Now you can see time-based trial is deployed. If I want to make it live and I want to make it start now, I can click on start now. Okay, so this will start, and it will connect to my trading terminal. Okay, the trading successfully started. Now why it is nothing is getting triggered, because I am quite safe. I'll just show you why. In this strategy, if I go time-based trial and edit it, the start time is 10:10 a.m. and right now I'm at 1:08 p.m. So it will not start today, but if I keep this open and log in tomorrow by 8:45, it will start. Okay, it has already triggered, somewhere in my broker account, but the margin, this orders are rejected. So despite I triggering at 10:10 a.m., the orders are rejected. Here you can see. Okay, because I did not have much margin, funding is less. This is just for trial. So just ensure ki during the market hours, don't try anything like this. It will actually cause some losses. So in case you have some margin already available. So I did not have available, so it was safe. So I'll just exit this, delete this. Basically, this was just for showing you. Okay. Before removing, you have to switch off the trading engine. So I have switched off, stop and square off, and I go to strategies, and I go to brokers, I go to strategies, and go to deployed strategies, and I will just delete this. Again, it's deleted. Okay, so that's gone. Now let's look at some uh, the super trend based strategy. So here I've already copied one strategy. I'll go inside this. Okay, and here first time based, and now here it is indicator based. Okay, just reload this once. So the indicator based Nifty 50 MI is already selected. Now this strategy is based on a super trend. Okay, now I'll do the transaction type is both, one only long, only short. You can do anything, candle or Ikenashi. Interval you can set, time you can set, days again you can set. Now the entry condition, first you can select the candle and closing. So if the candle closes and crosses above the second condition, and the third condition is super trend. Okay, so candle crosses above the super trend, then you go long. If it closes below the super trend, you go short. So exit conditions are not set here. The options position builder is here. So when to go long, when to go short is mentioned here. Now the position builder. So when long, you will take buy CE. When short, you will buy PE, and it is mentioned in the money. So you can select whatever strike price you want, in the money, out of the money, etc. And the stop loss and target profit is kept here itself. This is a 20 price, 20 points and 10 points. There is risk management, and here we are doing a maximum of 6 trading cycles. That means Whenever the condition is met in the market hours, 6 times we'll execute this trade, and there is no trailing or anything. So I'll just save this and continue. We'll check the backtest is working or not, because sometimes this indicator based backtest does not work. So we'll just check. See, here you can see how are the profits and losses. Okay, so sometimes you earn profit, sometimes. So this is a back test. Now you have to fine tune it. I'm not showing 100% working strategy and 1000% return strategy, because again I receive lots of comments in the chat that this strategy is not working. What will happen na? Over a period of time, the strategies and everything and their PNL, everything will change. Okay, so despite you having auto trading and everything set, you'll have to monitor and keep back testing and forward testing and see if your strategy is still performing as per plan. And also this system, basically the algorithms, the terminal, etc., they also the owners of algorithm actually keep on changing their back-end logic, and hence the profitability at the front end keeps on changing, and that is what you have to look. So that is one drawback. So here I am just showing this for educational purpose. ठीक है, आपके सिर्फ स्टडी के लिए, एजुकेशन के लिए, कि आप अल्गो ट्रेडिंग, ऑटो ट्रेडिंग कैसे कर सकते हो. आप जॉब पे जाते हो, यू गो ऑन जॉब एंड यू डोंट हैव टाइम to go to a website and do a daily strangle, straddle, or indicator based buy, sell. Then you can use such kind of websites. There are many other websites you can try. I'm trying Algorooms right now, so I just showed to you, but this is not a recommendation call. You want, you can try, you can take the paid subscription. Here you can say unlimited plan, limited plan. I have taken the limited plan for monthly only. You decide what you want to take. Okay, so I'll just recommend ki you also, if you want to test, just test for 1 month only, because here the service and all is not that great. So this is just for trial and testing purpose. In case some better software, you can recommend me. In case I come across some better software, so I'll also recommend you. So there are market leaders like Tradetron, etc., but they are quite complicated. This was simple, but the website is unstable, so that's the only issue. I hope you understood and got some learnings out of it. In case you want me to make some more videos on algo trading software, etc., let me know in the comment below. Next month we'll try something new, and then I'll tell you. So please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.